Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to our foodie world where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. Join our family by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we post new videos. And to our returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support. Today we are making Zobo drink, the Sobolo recipe you didn't know your immune system needed. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. Our ingredients for today are 1 orange, 1 lemon, 1 medium-sized pineapple. We'll be needing both the food and the peel. 1 tablespoon of grains of selim, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cloves, a handful of ginger, and then 3 cups of hibiscus flour. We'll be using 1.5 cup of water for this recipe, and as always, all ingredients used will be linked down below in the description box. You can also adjust the ingredients to your taste and preference. We'll start off by washing our hibiscus flour thoroughly and then put it in our pots that we'll be using, and then we'll add our 1.5 liter of water. Moving on, we'll be adding our pineapple peel, our orange and lemon as well. So we are going to be roughly blending our ginger, black pepper, cloves, and then the grains of selim. We are not going to finely blend it, so we'll use the chopper side of our blender and then we'll use the pause button twice. So after roughly blending, this is what we got. So we'll just add it to our Sobolo. We'll be allowing our Zobo to boil for about 25 to 30 minutes. Whilst at it, we'll be juicing our pineapple. So I'm using my media juicer from 3LM Ventures to juice out my pineapple. After boiling for about 30 minutes, this is what our Sobolo looks like. So I allowed it to cool down and then I just removed the chaps and I'm left with the juice now. So I'll be mixing the juice with my pineapple juice and then strain it. So I want my Sobolo to be free from any form of chaffs, so that's why we are straining it so that our juice will be as smooth as possible. So we are done straining and this is what we got. Now you can add any sweetener of your choice. You can add honey, sugar, whatever you want, but I don't want to add any sweetener, so I'll be taking it like that. So I'll just put them in my juicing bottles and then refrigerate them and take them later. This Sobolo drink is so refreshing and full of vitamin C to help boost your immunity as well. Try this at home and let know in the comment section below how you feel about it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please again, it's totally free. Hit that red button and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we post new videos, and share the video with your friends and family. Don't be stingy, okay? Share with your friends and family. And until we come your way next time, Hope you stay safe and enjoy this recipe.